Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking these cards. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And for your love situation, we'll be picking this card, and this card will be the message from your person. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I'll be sharing my friend's link in description, and she gives personal reading in fever, and you can contact her at various. So, and I also have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity in your circumstances, you can watch that reading. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first. We have Page of Pentacles in reverse, Magician in reverse, and Empress. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are feeling truly inspired. Some kind of inspiration or some kind of influence you have to do something. Maybe you are finding certain things truly interesting for you and you're working towards that in your work circumstances. Maybe you are feeling inspired to take up some path. It may be a new career path, something you need to do, and you simply love to do that, and you are working towards that, or you are thinking about that, and you have, because of this new path or a new beginning, you are quite worried because you want to do things the right way. Maybe it is something new, something you lack experience. So you are working towards something new and you want to make things work in the right way. And this may be the time for a lot of new opportunities for you in your work situation. Something better, something good opening for you in your life today. And maybe in your circumstance, it may be in your work or it may be in your relationship, you are or you can expect some news today, Aquarius. So some news is reaching you. Maybe this person wants to tell you something, and it may be in the form of a letter or in the form of email or a communication coming to you, message maybe. So they have something to tell you, and this may be the time for you to understand or what is there in their mind or what is there in their heart of hearts deep down, what are their intentions. So you will know it with clarity. That is the energy here with these cards, Aquarius. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We picked one card. Message in a bottle, a beautiful card here, guys. An apt card. Just now we were speaking about messages. So in your circumstances today, maybe this person indeed has something to tell you. So they want to reveal what they truly feel to you, and they are sending you something. Or for some of you, you may be seeing signs, maybe signs inspiring you or making you focus on certain things, inspiring you to take up certain path. It may be in your work or in your relationship, what you need to do or what will be the right choice. So some kind of a message or some kind of an unexpected favor coming today. Maybe someone you never expected. So this person is coming to help you or coming to give you a message that is going to help you in this relationship. So only good things are happening today, Aquarius. Good things are coming to you today. And this person maybe is truly in love with you, and they are communicating that to you today. So for your message from your person, I can't give up on my responsibilities right now. That may be the message here. They want to tell you, maybe they want time. They love you, they want to marry you, but they may want some time. That may be the message here. So that is the energy here, guys. Aquarius, that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card for you all. I will keep this card aside. For those who chose this card, Tamlin, battle. So in your circumstances today, maybe you're facing lot of struggles, some difficult circumstances are there for you, or it may be for someone you love. But you are a person who is a strong, determined person. So if you make a choice, if you are in a relationship, you stand by this person you love and you support this person no matter what. So this may be your energy or your person's energy towards you. So they support you through thick and thin. Whatever happens, they stand by you and they want to stand by you because they are a trustworthy and reliable person. So maybe for some of you, you are involved in some kind of a lawsuit or some kind of a litigation, something really something demanding your attention and something that is stressing you a lot. But you are a person who is strong, who is determined, or you have someone strong and determined standing by you, helping you out in this darkest moment of your life and making you feel better. So this person is a good friend and they are someone you can rely on. Or for some of you, you have a friend. It may not be your person, but it may be your friend, a close friend or a sibling who stands by you and who is here to help you through your hard times. And you will come out of this difficulty very soon, guys. That is also what I see. So this is just like some kind of a test or something that is happening to bring about some changes in you or bring about some changes in your circumstances. But these circumstances are not going to last forever. So you can be happy for that. So that is the energy here with this card, and this may be the time you have a lot of ideas, a lot of vision about your future, what needs to be done, and you will know what will work because you have a lot of experience now. So that is the energy here with this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, this is a Crystal Spirits card, guys. it says rose quartz. So, the energy with this card, maybe in our life, we often go through a lot. We face a lot of circumstances, different circumstances, and we often forget what we are, what is our worth, and how amazing we are. And this crystal spirit just reminds us that we are good enough, and we are good enough as we are. No need to change ourselves and no need to compare ourselves with someone else. So, we have our own inner strengths that will help us, that will, what to say, that will amplify our potential and our success, help us in our day to day work, help us to be strong, smart, playful, confident, whatever quality we have within ourselves. So we have everything we need, and we need not, yearn for something we are not, comparing ourselves with another person. So this crystal spirit card just shows us that we need, it just helps us to express love, and this love also includes self-love. So we need to understand that each and every one of us are unique in our own way, and we are just enough as we are. So no need to feel sad or bad for what we are. So when we truly embrace our qualities, we are just going to shine through in our life. So that is the energy here with this card, guys. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.